Hey guys, how are your days? This is Erica. Today, let's check the last section of the quick tutorial. Let's create a dashboard. If you're trying to pull or analyze records from different places in our app, that means Jodoo dashboards are the right solution. Jodoo dashboards are mainly composed of charts that live on top of your Jodoo information and update when your Jodoo information updates. So this can be much clearer as we create the first chart for the dashboard. So our first question will be how to create a dashboard in Jodoo. In this video, we will create a dashboard of recruitment reports for our human resource management app. Well, actually, this time we will only finish a small part of this dashboard, an indicator chart for the average days to hire. So here, let's go to the Jodoo workspace again, enter the Human Resource Management app, and create a dashboard. This is what we get, a blank canvas. And that is our dashboard. We can name it as Recruitment Report. As we can see, without the charts, the dashboards are just skeletons. So here comes our second question, how to create a chart in Jodoo. Here we can find all the different charts that let us track all the various information for our workflow in one place, and components to help beautify the dashboard and add external information to our analysis. And at last, we have tools that serve as a search engine to locate the target information. As we planned, we just want a big number that tells us the average days we spend on hiring a person. The indicator is a chart that lets you display a piece of information and analysis of a particular view. So that sounds just like what we need. As it is a type of statistics chart, let's go ahead and choose a statistics chart. As I mentioned, these dashboards live on the Jodoo information, so we will select the Hire Report form, as that is the form where my information lives. Let's name the chart as Average Days to Hire and select the indicator as planned. Now it is time for us to set up the dimensions, measures, and filters with what we have, which are the fields on the left. So dimension feels like an x-axis, which stands for the perspectives of data analysis. And measure, just like the y-axis, it is a result of dimension analysis. As a hint for the indicator says that we might only need one measure for this, we will just drag and drop the days to hire to be the measure. Now, it seems to have automatically added them up, but what we need is an average number. So let's just hover over the field, click to expand the options, go to aggregation, and change it to average. And here it is. A big number for the average days to hire. To make it more eye-catching, we can customize the chart styles, like pick up a background color, title color, and layout style. Then here it is, our indicator for average days to hire. Let's save it. And now it's added to my dashboard. Let's see what happens when I update information in my form. Just add another record for our hire report and then go back to refresh our page. As you can see, our summary is updated. So anytime your information updates, your dashboard will update to reflect what's changed in your form. Do you feel like need further instructions? Then check out our guided walkthrough to create a dashboard. Or you can simply register for our Jodoo beginner course to get started in Jodoo. The Jodoo beginner course is a recurring event. For more details, you can refer to Become a No-Code App Developer in just 6 days. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We have 3 more videos just like this in our quick tutorial playlist, and loads of other fascinating feature guides to share with you. This is Erica. Thank you for watching. See you next time.